is Rhonda Olson from Woman Shine. Let your true colours shine through and express the real you. Are you feeling locked up, choked up, stuck at the moment in this lockdown? Well, I have a great solution for you. Come along and join me tomorrow morning from 9:30 till 11:30 for a taster for the Joyful Creation Over the Rainbow workshop that Kim Kirkman and I are going to be doing on October the 3rd, because it was cancelled last Sunday. Abandon yourself to your notes of joy. Remember when you were a little girl or boy. Don't be afraid that you'll sound off key. Our voices mixed together will make a harmony. You don't have to feel choked up, lost for words, or dumbstruck, or keep your feelings stuck in your gut. You can get out of this rut. Singing is your birthright, expressing sadness and delight, connecting you to what is real, showing you the best of what you feel. So just lift the lid, let your voice come out, stretch and yawn and move yourself about with your whole self, give voice and resonate with your feelings and truly relate. So love you to come along and join me, and I'll put a link in the just below, and come and let's do some beautiful sensuous Feldenkrais movements to free your body so that your voice can be free to dance and sing your heart out. And if you'd like to have another little dance with me, here we go.